We picked this up in an Asian supermarket because we thought it was crisps or some sort of nibbly things to go with drinks. What we didn't know was it was a kit. And it comes with a crunchy thing. It's sort of puffed rice and little bits and pieces. And you've got a very crunchy affair here. And you've got powder. And it tells you to put it into 50 mils of water. So I'm just going to stir that up and leave it for the 5 minutes while we do everything else. And it also tells you to have some fresh ingredients and the sort of suggestions. I've actually eaten Bhel Puri quite a lot when I was in London in Drummond Street. And it usually, the one I liked came with onions and apple. So we've got an apple. I've also got a nice tomato, and one of those very fleshy ones. So little tiny chunks of the apple. Come on. And I'm just going to put those in. I've got a bowl and I've started adding some chopped up shallots. Those were the bits I didn't want. It'd be very interesting to see what this tastes like because it's one of the things I miss coming to France. There's not a lot of variety of Indian food because India was part of the UK colonies. It's all Asiatic type foods here, which are lovely, but it's just really nice. I probably wouldn't have bought it because it was a kit, but since we got it by mistake, it seems a good idea to use it. Let's have a look and see what this is doing. Well, it looks much the same as it always did. And I'm just going to chop up the shallots. It could have been onion. Probably it would be nice if it was spring onion, but this is the middle of winter and the wrong part of the week to get much salad stuff. It was a very nice tomato. These also are going to be in chunks. You could have added green chilli, as it suggests, but I don't think I want any more heat than that. The Bhel Puri house, or houses, that are in Drummond Street in London are all vegetarian. They're a unique form of cooking and I get quite excited about them. And I haven't eaten there since well, for 16 years now since I've been here. So that's that. And now I'm going to add some of the coriander leaf. There we are. Fresh coriander is such a nice thing to add to anything. And it's certainly one of the flavours. They did a lot of coconut chutney with things, but we didn't. We thought we had crisps. Now, we need to serve this the moment we add these and this, because I think they will go a bit soggy quite quickly. So what I'm going to do is pour the flavouring over the wet ingredients since they're already wet. And this makes a very nice vegetarian thing. If it tastes nice, I shall tell you if it does. I shall be very honest. Well, it's smelling quite nice. So that's your fresh salady type ingredient, to which you now add these and this. But I'm just going to tidy up first. Now for the magic moment. Ready? You can see it's puffed rice. It actually has some sort of spices on it. And I'm just going to try mixing it so we get some of the flavourings and some of the juicy and some of the crunch in every bite. Actually, this looks very much like the Bhel Puri that I had in Drummond Street. Oh, the sprinkles. Forgot the sprinkles. This is extra crunch. Isn't this exciting? You can't go out for a meal at the moment. And even if you could, I wouldn't. But I'm very excited about have something that somebody else has kind of invented, if that's the right word. There you are. There. Mmm. Mmm. I don't know what it costs, but I'll be buying that again.
Oh, good.
My goodness me.
Quite authentic then.
Mmm. Yes, it is. Yes, it is. Oh, we'll have to find out how to make the coconut chutney, which I always liked on the side.
Okay.
Oh, you should try it. You will like this. Well, does yours look like that? Sort of.
Well, we didn't have any potato in ours.
No, I didn't add the potato, but they used to do one with potato and one without. And I preferred it without. This is really lovely. Mmm. Mmm.
Okay, successful mission.
I'm really glad it wasn't crisps.